Okay, so I'm gonna explain a couple things when installing or removing front bumper on a Volvo XC60 2018 and newer. So all it is these clips here on the top, right here. I already have it removed because I'm installing it, and then under this here. So what has to be done, the fender liner has to be unscrewed right here. All the screws here where the green clips are have to be removed, and then there are two bolts under the fender right there, 1 and 2. So these have to be removed also. And on this side also, on the left side, we have a harness plug, this one right there, that has to be unplugged. And then moving to the other side, we have the same thing. We have two bolts on inside, and we have to remove all these with the green clips from the fender liner, splash shield, and then you have to get in there from underneath. Maybe I can show it right there. And I have to remove these two on each side, and then also on the bottom of the bumper, these have to be removed right there. There's like 4 of them, these clips, okay, have to be removed. And then the last thing here is this one, okay. So it releases the safety lock, and the line for this one is this one, and needs to be traced and unplugged. Maybe I can show it right there. Oh, it's right there. Okay, so I'm moving it right now. So this line has to be also disconnected, and then yeah, and then you can pull the bumper forward, and it will slide down. Right now I'm gonna try to install it. So all I have to do is push it in. Okay, a bit hard with one hand, but so let's see. This under the headlight there is a bracket, and it has to go above that. Okay, so kind of hard to do it right now, but on this side it's in, and yeah, so see this one, this side is all nice and flush here, and I'm gonna just insert one safety just for now, screw there, so I can work on this side. Okay, so this one, okay, yeah, so we have this one, okay, here, and right there has to go into place. Okay, okay, right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna just put this tape so it doesn't go out. So that's how it looks, nice and flush over here also. So what I have to do now, because I attached already this safety line and tested it, you see, when I pull it, it works. And I'm gonna attach the fender liner on both sides and underneath. Okay.